3, 2, 1, 0.
Hi there. Welcome to NumberRoyale. This is Saktivel welcoming Beardboy01, Cool Math, Ganesh, Shri, Ratna MJ, Kyle, Ritesh, Siddharth, Chacha, Black Mamba, Parni, and Rasika Venkat. Thank you all for joining us. We've got a great match today. It's the distinct version, right? Whoever gives the most distinct answers ends up winning. Basically, what happens is there are multiple answers to this puzzle, every puzzle, and whoever gives an answer that others don't give, you end up winning, getting more points. So if you give an answer that the other 50 didn't give, you get 50 points. All right. So think out of the box, think about it, and give an answer that others are not possibly giving. It doesn't have to be unique, but it's, more distinct is better. All right. So before we get started, have a small riddle. A man pushes his car to the hotel and tells the owner he's bankrupt. Why? Man pushes his car to the to the hotel and tells the owner he's bankrupt. So, all right, his car has no wheels. All right, that's a good answer, but it's not correct. It's not the one I'm looking for. All right, so think about it. So yeah, we have more players today. More the better, right? In this particular version, more players, more points. All right, so let's get started with question number 1. 9, 1, and 7. The desired result is 3. Addition and subtraction are the operators. There are 8 possible solutions, so there is a lot of ways to earn points, and let's see what the maximum point is going to be. I'm waiting for the day we get 3 figures. All right. 55 of you have given the correct answer. 60 is the leading point getter, and 8 solutions. All 8 have been given. 52 I think is the least point that, 42 is the least point. So there we go. Let's move on to question 2. 33, 27, and 3. The desired result is 2. How do you get 2 from addition, subtraction, and division? There's only one possible way of doing it. So unfortunately, there is not a whole lot of options for you. Let's see what happens. Maybe nobody gets any point because everybody gives it the same answer. Oh, 29 is the leading point getter here. Only 33 of you have solved it. It was a little bit tricky. There was a division involved. Not too bad. 33 minus 27 gives you 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 29 is the leading point getter. So 89 is what the leader has. Let's take a look at question 3. 9, 11, and 1. Desired result is 98. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication. And the solution is screaming at your face, right? Pick me, pick me, pick me. And it's should be straightforward. I think there's a big multiplication involved. 9 times 11 or 11 times 9 should get it. Let's see how many of you, both solutions have been given. 36 is the leading point getter, and the second one, 9 times 11, was used by 32 of you. All right, so great job in getting the solution. Leaders at 124, both solutions given. And let's go take a look at question 4. 11, 7, 14, and 1. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. Desired result is 63. How do you get 63 from 11, 7, 14, and 1? There are 20 possible solutions. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. It looked a little bit tricky to me. Not sure what exactly the solution is. Several of you are claiming you got it. Must be a fairly straightforward one. 42 of you have gotten the solution. 5 out of the 20 solutions have been given. 59 is the leading point getter, and 177 is where the leader is at. And today the games are easy. Of course, sometimes it's a random pick that our computer makes on what the puzzles are. And some days it's like life, right? Some days it's easy, some days it's a bit harder. All right, so let's go take a look at the next question. 90 solutions for this one. 1.75 is the desired result. 3.25, 2.1, 4.9, and 1.3. Addition and subtraction, it's just decimals. So you know the drill. Kind of, estimate as to how you get roughly 1 and 1.75 out of these 4 numbers. I think yeah, if your connection gets broken, you may be able to watch only even if you rejoin. So there are 40 players who gave the correct answer. 13 out of the 90 possible solutions have been given. 47 is the lowest point getter, and 59 is the highest point. So leaders at 236. Let's go take a look at question 6. 4, 20, 8, and 12 are the 4 numbers. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication can be used to get desired result of 80. How do you get 80? Of course, you must use all 4 numbers. And how do you get 80? I mean, 4 times 20 is 80, but then what do you do with 8 and 12? So there must be a simpler way of doing this. Let's see how you solved it. It's interesting to see 18 of you have given the correct answer, so it was a little bit tricky. And let's see what the solution is. 8 times 12 is 96. Okay. And the leader guy used 4 minus 20 is negative 16 and then added it. So clever way of getting 58 points there. And the leader's at 294. And let's go take a look at the next question. Question 7 is desired result is 56, 10, 9, 14, and 4. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. How do you get 56 from 10, 9, 14, and 4? And this one looks a bit easier than the previous one. So let's see how many of you come up with it. It should be more than the 18 or so who got the last one. So I'm guessing maybe 30 plus have gotten it. Wow, 43 of you have gotten it. Great job. 43 is the lowest point getter and 56 is the highest point here. The leader's at 350. Maybe we'll crack the 400 barrier today with, let's take a look at question 8, which is fractions. 1/3, 3 by 2, and 4/3. 1/3, 1.5, and 1 1/3. How do you get half out of these 3 numbers? We've got 3 different denominators. So are you going to use the LCD method and get the correct answer? Or are you so comfortable with fractions, you just do it off the top of your head and say, and then go finish it. Let's go take a look. And as we are collecting the answers, a couple of you are saying that you got it. And wow, we're getting great at fractions. 32 of you have given the correct answer. 6 out of 8 answers have been given. 57 is the leading point getter. 41 is the lowest point here. And let's go take a look at the next question. Algebra. 3x, 3x, 19. Desired result is 19. How much easier can life get in algebra world, right? If you know what you're doing, you're already smiling, laughing, and saying, please don't give me these such easy puzzles. I'm tired of solving this. I need some challenge in my life. That's what you're thinking. And let's see How many of you have solved it? Yeah, I see the answers being given. Anything would have been acceptable, any number between 1 and 9, because that's all you get. Oh, 48 of you. So of our algebra masters have solved it. The leaders at a huge 56 points out of this one. So the winner gets 453. The number royale for the day gets 453 points. And let's go take a look at who are on the leaderboard. 21 of you got on the leaderboard and winning 24 cents apiece. And let's see who is the number royale for the day. Birdie Flurry seems to have figured out this way of playing. He or she gets 453 points, a pretty big lead compared to the previous days over KPMJ at 423. That's a 30-point difference. I mean, we have seen matches where the winning point difference was 1, or even we've had people tied. So the second place is 423. Hema Deepu at third at 422. Strange Thinker at 419. Black Mamba at 410. So congratulations to each and every one of you who played. And so the lowest point getter, let me take a look at lowest point getter, was 328 points. So almost over 100-point difference between the top and the 21st player. Congratulations to everyone who played. And remember, without numbers, you're not even a zero. Be a hero, play Number Royale every day. We'll see you in about 19 minutes. And this is Saktivel signing off. Bye for now.